Hi Fair Class, Miss Carr here. I'm going to explain your work for the week of the 22nd of February 21. Okay, so remember the things that we say every week. Just try your best. That's all we want you to do. If the work is a bit hard, don't worry about it. Just have a try. Ask an adult or your brothers or sisters for help. Okay, and if you're really stuck, leave it and we can talk about it on Friday in our video call. And don't forget, you can watch this video again and again and again, or you can pause it and watch it again to make sure you know what you've got to do. Okay, so if you have a purple maths book, here is your work for this week. It's your new book about multiplication and division. Okay, you're going to be doing work on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday from the book, and on Thursday on the Prodigy website. Okay, and then on Friday, Timetable Rockstar. You're looking at work linked with multiplying. Okay, here are some things to help you. Okay, so remember, you've got two different ways in the book to do the multiplications. One is where you've broken it down into different parts over here. Okay, so you've times 4 times by each of the numbers going across, the units, the tens, the hundreds. So 4 times 3 here is 12. 4 times 3. Then the next row down, you've got 4 times 40. Okay, so that's 160. And the next one is you've got 4 times 500. And then you put a line and you add them together. We've done that before. Okay, and the other way to do it is on this side below me. So you're doing the times, but you're not writing it going down. You're carrying the number across. So you've got 9 times 7 makes 63. So you put the 3 and the 6 has gone under the next column because it's a tens number. Okay, then you've done 9 times 8. And then you've added the 6 on and you've got 78. Okay, then you've done 9 times 4 and then you've added the 7 on to make 43. Okay, right. If you have a blue maths workbook, okay, you've got a new book as well about multiplication and division. Here is your work for this week. You've got pages to do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday you've got times table Rockstar and times table practice. Okay, here are some things to help you. So you're thinking about groups of numbers or things that are equal and that are not equal. So if you look at the fish, there's 4 in a bowl and there's 3 in a bowl. They're not equal. They're not the same. Okay, 4 and 3, they're not the same. This with the biscuits, you've got 4 biscuits and 4 biscuits and 4 biscuits. So they're equal. That's 4 and 4 and 4. They are the same. Okay. Then you've got something explaining about when you group things. So you can have 4 equal groups of 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. Okay. Or you can have 3 equal groups of 4 and 4 and 4. And that's the same. They're all 12. Okay. Right. Then also, you've got this thing with some socks. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3 groups, and each one's got 2 in it. Okay, that is the same as 2, add 2, add 2 makes 6. Okay, and you can see that you've jumped in 2. So you've jumped 2, then you've jumped to 4, and then you've jumped to 6 being your answer. Then look at the dice below me. Okay, so you've got a 2 and a 2 and a 2 and a 2. That's the same as 2, add 2, add 2, add 2 makes 8, which is the same as 4 times 2. 4 groups of 2 makes 8. Okay, if you have a maths book that is red, you've got a new book as well. This one is about addition and subtraction again. Okay, so on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, you've got work from your book. On Thursday, you should have a pack in your packet that's about number bonds to 10. Okay, work through some activities in there. Then on Friday, you've got times table Rockstar and times table practice. Okay, Here are some things to help you. So look, we've done 7 add 2 makes 9 on a number line, okay? And we've jumped 2 to get the answer 9. Then look at this one at the bottom. You've got 3 add 4, and they've just jumped 4 to make 7, okay? Also, you're thinking about using your number bonds to do bigger, different sums. So you've got 12, add 3 makes 15, okay? So you've got 12 on one side and 3, okay? So the 10 has been separated and the 2, you've partitioned it into 10 and 2, okay? So 10 is on its own. You've got the 2 and the 3. You're going to add those together to make 5. So you've got a 10 and 5 to make 15, okay? Just an easier way to help you with some bigger numbers, okay? Then another thing you're looking at is the number bonds to 10 and how they're linked with number bonds to 20, okay? Have a look at this chart here, okay? You can pause the video and have a look and see how the numbers are linked and you can match them together, okay? Extra things you can do, you've always got your times table rockstar work, and then you've also got Top Marks, the website where you can find some different games to play. If you find any nice new games that you like, let me know, okay? Right, English work this week. Now, it's a bit different. We've got new books now, so we've still got this one. Some of you've got year 1, some of you've got year 2. Okay, we've still got this one the same. We're going to do a few things from that one. Then we've also got a comprehension book, which is about reading. Okay, there's some of you got year 1, some of you got year 2. Okay, this on the year 2 I think is a monkey. Okay, and then my group, the year 1 group, have also got this phonics one about sounds. Okay, Miss Symes' group have got a different book. Okay, so if you have a look here, here is your work for this week. I've told you which book it's from, either the comprehension book, the 10-minute book. Then there's some writing activities. You've got your phonics book, and then you've got some reading comprehension as well about space. Okay, here are some things to help you. So in your 10-minute book, there's some work about the prefix un. Un, when you put it before a word, changes the meaning and it makes it means not. Okay, so you've got happy and unhappy, so not happy. Okay, you've got well and unwell, not well. Okay, also you're going to think about using and to join some things here. So you've got sometimes you can use it to join different sentences. Sometimes you can use it to join words. So we've got here, I like to play tennis and I love to walk my dog. Danny will be eating donuts and she will be drinking a milkshake. Okay, so different ways to use and. Okay, in the phonics book, okay, I want you to say the sounds of the letters and then say the words when you're trying to match them together. If you're not sure of the word, ask somebody at home to say the word, okay? Also, it talks about real words and not real words, okay? When there's a picture of an alien, like these, okay, it means it's not a real word. So the first word here says car, car, car. The next one here is wal, wal, but it's got an alien, so that means it's not a real word, it's a pretend word. Next one here is jar, jar, like a jar of jam. Okay, next one, okay, is quap, 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 but it's got an alien, so it means it's not a real word. Okay, here's your reading activity for this week. It's about going to space. Okay, read the words in the middle and talk with an adult about the picture. Okay, then look at the questions, read them, talk about it with your adult, and then carefully think about the sentences before you start to write them. Okay, Here's your writing activity. It's about animals and where they live. Okay, you've got to cut up the pictures and match the animal to its home. So maybe there's a bee and a beehive, and match them up. Okay, you're going to do it for all of them. Where there's an animal, I'd like you to try and write the word, the name underneath. Okay, think carefully about the sounds in the words. Then you're going to write some sentences for each pair of pictures. So maybe you'll write things like, the cow lives in the barn, full stop. The duck lives on the pond, full stop. The sheep lives in the field, full stop. Okay, use my pattern in my sentences to help you write some of your own. Okay, if you're in Miss Symes group, okay, and you've got a year 2 book, like I said, you've got new books as well. You've got a comprehension one like this, it says year 2 and it's got a monkey on the front. Okay, you've got a grammar and punctuation and spelling book. Okay, and then you've still got this book for year 2 as well. Here is your work for this week. Okay, you've got different activities from different books. If you look on the list, it tells you which book, and at the end you've got some writing to do about instructions. Okay, so here are some things to help you. Make sure, if you're not sure about words in the book, you look at the back. There's this, a glossary, okay, and it explains words if you're unsure what they mean. Okay, you need to try and remember your different types of words. You've got nouns, names of things, people, animals, things, places and ideas. So down here we've got butterfly, dice, ball, girl, pirate. You've got verbs or doing words or action words, okay, like run, jump and talk. And then you're thinking about expanded noun phrases. Okay, it's a phrase made up with the noun and one adjective. Okay, and have a look below, it gives you an example. So lots of yummy, cold ice cream. You use a comma to split if you're using more than one adjective. Okay, here's some more things. So an adjective is a describing word for nouns or pronouns. So the delicious cake, the sparkly diamond, the beautiful flower. You've also got adverbs to describe the verb. Okay, she shouted loudly, he ate slowly. Okay, you're also thinking about the past progressive to describe an action when it's being done. So have a look here. I was having coffee. She was eating ice cream. Okay, you've also got some words here to help with your instructions for cooking. Okay, here's your writing activity. Okay, you need to think about writing instructions to make something. So Miss Symes said, try to pick something that's not too tricky. Okay, why not maybe make a sandwich or maybe make crispy cakes with chocolate? Think carefully about your sentences before you start and then read them back when you finish to make sure they make sense. Okay, then if you want extra activities, you've got your spelling shed with your common exception words. You've got reading every day, and remember to tell us if you want more books. Okay, and then your topic work for class. Remember to look on the school website. Okay, find your classes page or video and you can watch and find out what your topic work is for this week. Okay, right, bye fair class, see you soon.